Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Amazon's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to discuss Amazon, especially given their significant impact on the market and their latest financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Amazon reported net sales of $180.2 billion for the third quarter, a 13% increase from last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
Amazon's revenue growth is impressive, especially considering the 12% increase even when excluding favorable foreign exchange impacts. This growth is driven by strong performance across all segments, particularly AWS, which saw a 20% increase in sales. The net income also rose significantly to $21.2 billion, translating to an adjusted EPS of $1.95, which beat the forecasted $1.58 by a substantial margin.
That's quite a beat. How did Amazon manage to maintain its operating income despite the special charges?
Amazon's operating income remained steady at $17.4 billion, despite incurring $4.3 billion in special charges related to a legal settlement and severance costs. Without these charges, operating income would have been $21.7 billion, highlighting their strong underlying business performance.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Amazon's segment performance shows robust growth across the board. Can you break down the performance of each segment for us, John?
Absolutely. North America sales increased by 11% to $106.3 billion, while international sales grew by 14% to $40.9 billion. AWS continues to be a powerhouse with a 20% increase in sales, reaching $33 billion. Amazon's strategic focus on AI and infrastructure is evident, with significant investments like the addition of 3.8 gigawatts of power capacity, which is crucial for supporting their cloud services and AI initiatives.
It seems like AI is a big part of Amazon's strategy. How is this impacting their business?
AI is indeed a major driver for Amazon. Their custom AI chip, Trainium 2, and the launch of Project Rainier are key initiatives that are enhancing their AI capabilities. These efforts not only support AWS growth, but also improve operational efficiencies across their retail and logistics operations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about cash flow and future guidance. How is Amazon managing its cash flow, and what are their expectations for the next quarter?
Amazon's operating cash flow increased by 16% to $130.7 billion, showcasing their strong cash generation capabilities. However, free cash flow decreased to $14.8 billion due to significant investments in property and equipment. Looking ahead, Amazon expects Q4 net sales to be between $206 billion and $213 billion, with operating income projected between $21 billion and $26 billion. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth despite economic uncertainties.
What are the key risks and opportunities for Amazon moving forward?
Key opportunities lie in their AI and cloud services expansion, which are expected to drive future growth. However, risks include potential economic slowdowns, regulatory challenges, and competitive pressures. Amazon's ability to navigate these challenges while capitalizing on growth opportunities will be crucial for sustaining their market leadership.
CEO insights and strategic vision. Amazon's CEO, Andy Jassy, provided some insights into their strategic vision. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Andy Jassy emphasized the role of AI in driving Amazon's growth, particularly in AWS and their fulfillment network. He highlighted the expansion of Prime delivery services, aiming to reach more communities with faster delivery options. Additionally, the Future Ready 2030 initiative, a $2 billion commitment to education and skills training, underscores Amazon's long-term focus on workforce development and innovation.
It sounds like Amazon is positioning itself for sustained growth. How do you see these initiatives impacting their future performance?
These initiatives are likely to enhance Amazon's competitive edge, improve customer satisfaction, and drive long-term growth. By investing in AI, infrastructure, and workforce development, Amazon is not only addressing current market demands, but also preparing for future challenges and opportunities.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, let's summarize Amazon's performance and investment prospects. John, what are the key takeaways for investors?
Amazon delivered strong financial results with net sales of $180.2 billion and an adjusted EPS of $1.95, significantly beating expectations. AWS continues to be a growth driver with a 20% year-over-year increase. Looking ahead, Amazon's guidance for Q4 sales between $206 billion and $213 billion reflects their confidence in continued growth. Investors should keep an eye on their AI initiatives and infrastructure investments, which are poised to drive future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Amazon's performance in the comments below. Until next time.